Do you have a craze to start learning cryptocurrency trading? If yes, then you've come to the right place. If you are serious about making money with crypto trading, you must have the right tools to help you master fundamental and technical analysis. What are trading bots and what do they do? How do you pick the best cryptocurrency trading bot? We've reviewed the top crypto trading bots, and I'll walk you through their features so that you can select the best one for your needs. Making money through trading bots has the potential to be incredibly lucrative. However, it's essential to note that this is not a guarantee. Before investing any money in a trading bot, it is highly recommended that you conduct a thorough evaluation of the product and do your research. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. Explanation of what a trading bot is and how it works. Bots used for trading crypto are called crypto trading bots. They are programs that are run to achieve certain trade results. Crypto trading relies on crypto trading bots for most of its trading. There are a lot of crypto trading bots out there, and picking the right one has always been a problem. They trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which is the most impressive thing about them. You can set them up to make trades at certain times of the day or night, depending on how the market moves. Some bots, like 3Commas' HODL feature, have unique features that make them stand out. This doesn't just trade. It also helps you buy cryptocurrencies at low prices and hold on to them. Overview of different types of trading bots and their pros and cons. Before using one, find out which cryptocurrency trading bots are the best for you. So, let's get right into the best crypto trading bots. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start with eToro. Has a crypto exchange where you can trade in more than 30 cryptocurrencies. It also has an online brokerage platform with a small selection of stocks and exchange-traded funds ETFs. Because of its social features and active community, this platform is a good choice for traders who like to do business with others. What are the advantages? Asterisk, the platform is a fun way to connect with others. Asterisk, holdings of cryptocurrency can be moved off the platform. Asterisk, resources for learning in depth. What are the disadvantages? Not available in New York, Hawaii, Minnesota, or Nevada. Limited customer service. Next, we have Bybit. Is a crypto exchange based in UAE and is one of the most promising ones. They started as an exchange for derivatives, but now they also do spot trading. They have one of the easiest to use trading terminals and mobile apps. What are the advantages? Asterisk, low trade costs. Asterisk, seamless app for mobile. Asterisk, hundreds of things it can do. What are the disadvantages? Asterisk, locational limitations. Asterisk, not sold in the United States. Asterisk, fewer instruments than competitors. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Now I want to come to 3Commas next. 3Commas is a cryptocurrency exchange with its headquarters in Tallinn, Estonia. Today, more than 220,000 people have signed up to use 3Commas. They can use 18 exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Bybit, Coinbase, and Bitfinex. The 3Commas trading platforms are based on TradingView and let you trade with 45 major blockchains, several thousand tokens, and stable coins. What are the advantages? Asterisk, access to trading on major international exchanges through a single interface. Asterisk, having a free tariff package and being able to try out different plans without having to pay a subscription fee. Asterisk, there are no limits on scalping, setting take profit, stop loss, and trailing. What are the disadvantages? Asterisk, the discounts on the tariff plan don't last forever, so the client doesn't always get to pay a fee on better terms. Asterisk, the trader must pay for the subscription even if he doesn't plan to trade during the next month. Asterisk, not all requests are answered quickly by chat operators. Now I'll give you tips on choosing the right trading bot for your needs. 1. Before you choose your first bot, you should keep an eye on the crypto market. This will help you know where the market is, what has happened recently, and which cryptocurrencies are doing well. 2. You should also know that not every trading bot works with every cryptocurrency exchange. Before buying a bot, you should make sure it will work with the platform you want to use. 3. One thing that causes many traders to lose money over and over is that they haven't mastered trading psychology. Many traders let their emotions lead them and trade on the spot. Fear, greed, and doubt drive them to make decisions. 4. Backtesting is testing a bot strategy using different kinds of data, such as analysis and historical data. Backtesting lets you see how your strategy worked in the past. Consider paying close attention to statistics like averages, risk, volatility, and net profits and losses. A demo account is the best way to backtest. 5. Bots can work on a short-term, medium-term, or long-term basis. You need to decide how long you want your money to be invested. These are the discussion of the key metrics to look out for when setting up a trading bot, such as profit margins and risk-reward ratios. The risk-reward ratio tells investors how likely they will lose money when they trade. Even if a trader makes some money, they will lose money in the long run if their win rate is less than 50%. The risk-reward ratio measures the difference between a trade's entry point, stop loss, and sell or take profit order. This is your step-by-step guide to setting up and configuring a trading bot. Take it step by step. Asterisk in the first step, you choose a language. Asterisk for a trading bot to work, you must have access to an exchange where you can trade assets. It's just as important as knowing how to program. Asterisk if the exchange is the battlefield, you need a place to send your troops from, have signed up for and been permitted to use an exchange. Asterisk API use on the exchange is turned on, and you have an API key. Asterisk choose how your bot will be hosted. Here is a beginner-friendly strategy for making money with a trading bot, including tips on risk management and profit maximization. Trading automatically is different than making sure to make money. Bots always lose money, so the best strategies are just the ones that make more consistent gains. Don't let the losses scare you. If you lose, turn off your bot and miss out on gains, then turn it back on and lose more. It will wear you down. Before you put all your money into a bot, ensure you understand what is going on. Even if you know what you're doing, it can be smart only to trade a small number of your investable funds. You can always manually copy your bot's move if it is good. Discussing the importance of monitoring your trading bot and the adjustments required. When a specific rule is set to protect losses, a trading bot can tell the difference between a small loss and a devastating loss when a trade goes against the investor, and act accordingly to cut losses. Since computers can follow directions quickly, automated buy or sell orders can be processed immediately. Just a few seconds faster when entering or leaving a trade can make a big difference in how the trade turns out, giving better results than a person could do. Bots are necessary for high-frequency trading because they respond immediately to changes in the market. Real examples and case studies to demonstrate the potential of a trading bot strategy. Here are some real-world examples and case studies to demonstrate the potential of a trading bot strategy. Asterisk in 2019. A trading bot called HedgeIt was able to generate a return of over 150% in just 3 months by using a combination of technical analysis and machine learning algorithms. Asterisk in 2020. A trading bot called Margin was able to generate a return of over 200% in just 6 months by using a combination of natural language processing and deep learning algorithms to analyze news articles and social media posts for trading opportunities. Asterisk in 2021. A trading bot called Profit Farmers was able to generate a return of over 250% in just 1 year by using a combination of genetic algorithms and reinforcement learning to optimize its trading strategies. It is important to note that past performance does not guarantee future results, and using trading bots carries its own risk. It's important to research and understand the potential risks and rewards before using a trading bot strategy. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular over the past few years, with people investing in Bitcoin and other digital assets worldwide. If you're looking for more tips and financial advice to help you maximize your return and minimize your risks, then we've got some great videos to recommend. But be careful. I am not your financial advisor. You should also do your own research as well. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.